2026 is a remarkable year for physical keyboard phones. Two of them, both running Android 16 out of the box, have been announced this year. So let's compare them directly on the specs that actually matter. The Titan II Elite is the self-contained contender, a standalone Android phone with a backlit, touch-sensitive QWERTY keyboard, a 120Hz AMOLED display, and Android 16. Starting at $389 on Kickstarter and available now. The Clicks Communicator was announced at CES 2026 by Clicks Technology, co-founded by MrMobile's Michael Fisher. Right now, it's in the reservation and pre-order stage at $499 retail. The early bird window closed on March 15, 2026, and delivery is expected in Q4 2026. Display. Both phones identical panel specs, 4.03-inch AMOLED, 1080 by 1200 pixels. Exact match. Neither has a display advantage on paper. Chipset. The Titan II Elite Standard runs the Dimensity 7400, the Elite Pro steps up to the Dimensity 8400, and the Clicks Communicator runs the Dimensity 8300, right between the two. So, the Standard Elite sits below the Communicator, the Elite Pro sits above it. Clicks describes the 8300 as chosen for smooth multitasking, consistent responsiveness, and strong efficiency with performance to spare. That positioning makes sense.
Titan II Elite, 12GB confirmed. Titan II Elite Pro, also 12GB. Clicks Communicator. RAM has not been publicly confirmed. That's a genuine gap in spec disclosure. Storage. Titan II Elite, 256GB, with a hybrid microSD slot up to 2TB. Elite Pro, 512GB, also hybrid microSD. Clicks Communicator, 256GB, but with a dedicated microSD slot up to 2TB. That means 2 SIMs and expanded storage at the same time, unlike the Elite's hybrid setup. Cameras. Titan II Elite, 50-megapixel main, 50-megapixel telephoto with 20x zoom, and a 32-megapixel front camera. Clicks Communicator, 50-megapixel main with confirmed OIS, and a 24-megapixel front. So, the Elite has more hardware and higher zoom. The Communicator has confirmed optical stabilization. OIS on the Elite Standard, unconfirmed, and on the Pro, still under development. Battery. Titan II Elite, 4050 mAh silicon carbon, 33-watt wired charging, no wireless charging. Clicks Communicator, 4000 mAh silicon carbon, with wired and wireless charging, including Qi 2 with magnetic locking. That's a clear advantage if you rely on wireless charging. Headphone Jack. Titan II Elite. No 3.5mm jack. USB-C audio only. Clicks Communicator has a 3.5mm headphone jack. This has been a consistent complaint on the Elite, and the Communicator wins this one directly. Keyboard features. Both phones feature touch-sensitive, capacitive, QWERTY keyboards with swipe to scroll and cursor navigation. The Titan II Elite adds per-key programmable shortcuts, short press and long press for every letter, mouse mode, and backlight activation via gesture. The Communicator's keyboard was described as outstanding to type on during CES hands-on. Keys are about 30% larger than previous Clicks accessories. The Elite's keys are smaller than the original Titan II's, which some reviewers flagged as a minor concern. Software updates. Titan II Elite, Android 16 to Android 20 with security patches until 2031. Clicks Communicator, Android 16 to Android 20, 5 years of security patches. On paper, essentially identical. But Unihertz has a poor track record of keeping these promises. Clicks is new, no track record yet.
Connectivity, Titan 2 Elite, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, IR Blaster, FM radio, eSIM plus dual nano SIM. Clicks Communicator, NFC and 5G, no IR Blaster confirmed. The Elite clearly wins on extras here. Bluetooth 6.0 is newer, and the IR Blaster is still a very practical tool. Colors, Titan 2 Elite, black and orange. Clicks Communicator, smoke, clover, and onyx with swappable back covers. Pricing, Titan 2 Elite, around $389 for standard, $479 for pro. Clicks Communicator, $499 retail. Early bird with $399, now closed. Right now, the Elite is the more affordable option. Shipping timeline. Titan 2 Elite, June 2026 for standard, October 2026 for pro. Clicks Communicator, Q4 2026. So yes, the standard Elite ships earlier than both. Who should get which one? Choose the Titan 2 Elite if you want a full standalone primary phone experience, you value the IR Blaster and Bluetooth 6.0, you want that telephoto zoom camera, you prefer the earlier June 2026 delivery, or that roughly $110 price saving matters to you. Choose the Clicks Communicator if wireless charging is non-negotiable, you need a dedicated headphone jack, you want dual SIM and expandable storage at the same time, or you prefer the 3 color options with swappable backs. Both are niche products. Neither is trying to be a flagship camera phone or a gaming device. But importantly, both are honest about exactly what they are. And that's the comparison. 2 very different approaches to the same old-school idea, a physical keyboard in 2026. One focuses on being a complete, standalone device. The other leans into refinement, design, and everyday convenience. So now it really comes down to you. Which one fits your workflow, your habits, your priorities? Drop your pick in the comments. Titan 2 Elite or Clicks Communicator? And more importantly, tell me why. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest tech comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.